Ever wonder what's the key to building muscle and muscular strength? Could it be the right supplement? Well, the world of fitness is riddled with questions just like these. And it's not surprising, considering the myriad of supplements available out there. But how do you pick the right one? How do you cut through the noise of marketing hype and find the real deal? It's a common dilemma that confounds even the most seasoned fitness enthusiasts. Today, we'll dive into the world of supplements and reveal the best one for muscle growth and strength. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, Monster Health Tips. By subscribing, you become a part of our health-conscious community, and you'll get regular updates with more tips and tricks to enhance your well-being. Meet Creatine, the supplement that reigns supreme in the world of muscle building and strength. Creatine, a molecule produced naturally in your body, has become a staple for those looking to add some serious muscle mass and increase their strength. It's no secret that the fitness world is buzzing about this powerhouse supplement. From professional athletes to weekend warriors, creatine is a popular choice for those pushing their limits and striving for greatness. Its popularity isn't just a passing trend. The science backs it up, with countless studies pointing to its effectiveness in helping with muscle growth and strength. It's a supplement that has stood the test of time, consistently delivering impressive results for those who use it. But why is creatine considered the best? Let's find out. Creatine is not just any supplement, it's a powerhouse of benefits. This statement isn't just a catchy line, but a fact that has been proven by numerous research studies. So, let's dive into the various benefits that this potent supplement has to offer. Firstly, creatine is a game changer when it comes to boosting workout performance. It helps your muscles produce more energy during heavy lifting or high-intensity exercise. This increased energy production can lead to improved strength and power, allowing you to push harder, go faster, or simply go for longer. But the benefits of creatine don't stop at enhanced performance. It's also a major player in muscle growth. By stimulating the formation of proteins that create new muscle fibers, creatine aids in increasing muscle mass. This is why it's often a go-to supplement for bodybuilders and athletes looking to pack on some serious muscle. Now let's talk about recovery. After a strenuous workout, our muscles are often left feeling sore and fatigued. This is where creatine steps in. It aids in muscle recovery by reducing muscle cell damage and inflammation following intense exercise. This means less time spent nursing sore muscles and more time hitting your fitness goals. And speaking of fatigue, creatine also has a significant role in reducing it. It does this by increasing the body's store of phosphocreatine, which is used to produce new ATP during high-intensity exercise. This helps to delay the onset of fatigue, allowing you to work out for longer periods without feeling worn out. In addition to these physical benefits, creatine has also been found to provide cognitive benefits. Studies have shown that it can enhance brain function, improving memory and intelligence. So, it's not just your muscles that benefit from this supplement, but your brain too. Impressive, isn't it? But how does creatine work its magic? The secret to creatine's effectiveness lies in its science. Here's how it works. Creatine isn't some mystical substance, it's actually a naturally occurring amino acid that's found in your body's muscle cells. Now this little molecule has a big job. It's involved in the production of a molecule called adenosine triphosphate, or ATP, which is your body's primary source of energy. When you're pumping iron or sprinting on a track, your muscles need a quick source of energy. That's where ATP comes into play. It's like a power switch, turning on to provide immediate energy for your muscles. But here's the catch. Your body's natural ATP stores are limited, and they deplete quickly during high-intensity workouts. That's when creatine steps into the spotlight. By supplementing with creatine, you're essentially increasing your body's phosphocreatine stores. Phosphocreatine is a form of stored energy in the cells, as it helps to rapidly produce ATP. So, more creatine equals more phosphocreatine, which equals a greater ATP regeneration capacity. In simpler terms, it allows your body to produce more energy, more quickly. This means you can work out harder and longer, pushing those muscles to their limit and beyond. But that's not all. Creatine also aids in other physiological processes related to muscle growth. It can increase cell signaling, which aids in muscle repair and new muscle growth. It can also boost the water content of your muscles, a process known as cell volumization, which may promote muscle growth. So to put it all together, creatine boosts your performance by helping your muscles produce more energy. It aids in muscle repair and growth, and it can even make your muscles look bigger by increasing their water content. That's a lot of benefits packed into one little molecule. Now that we know how it works, why is creatine often hailed as the best supplement? Creatine's title as the best isn't just a fluke, it's backed by evidence. The world of fitness supplements is vast and varied, with a myriad of options to choose from. But when it comes to building muscle and increasing strength, creatine stands out. And this isn't just a matter of opinion, it's a conclusion supported by numerous scientific studies. Take a stroll through the annals of research, and you'll find a wealth of evidence pointing to creatine's effectiveness. A plethora of studies have shown that creatine supplementation can significantly enhance muscle size and strength when combined with resistance training. From amateur gym goers to elite athletes, creatine has proven its worth time and time again. But what about the other supplements out there? You might have heard of protein powders, BCAAs, or pre-workout supplements. While these have their own merits, none quite match up to creatine when it comes to boosting muscular strength and size. Let's take protein powders for instance. They are crucial for muscle recovery and growth, but they don't directly contribute to the increase of strength and power like creatine does. BCAAs, on the other hand, are great for reducing muscle soreness and fatigue, but again they don't have the same direct impact on strength and muscle size. Then we have pre-workout supplements, often packed with caffeine and other stimulants to give you that extra push during your workout. But while they can help you feel more energized, they don't actually help your muscles produce more energy during high-intensity exercise. That's where creatine comes in, with its unique ability to replenish your muscles' primary energy source, allowing you to lift heavier, push harder, and train longer. And here's the kicker. Not only is creatine more effective, it's also typically more affordable than many other supplements on the market. So, not only does it offer superior results, it also offers superior value. In conclusion, when you stack creatine up against other popular supplements, it's clear to see why it takes the top spot. It's not just about the muscle and strength gains, but the quality, value, and the solid science that supports it. So creatine isn't just the best, it's the proven best. With the right supplement, your muscle building and strength training journey can reach new heights. As we've discussed today, creatine is a game changer, a supplement that can propel you towards your fitness goals with more speed and efficiency. Let's recap the journey we've embarked upon today. We started by understanding the importance of choosing the right supplement, a choice that can make all the difference in your fitness journey. And then, we introduced you to creatine, a supplement touted as the best for building muscle and enhancing muscular strength. We delved into the myriad benefits of creatine, not just limited to muscle growth, but also its role in enhancing performance, speeding up recovery, and even supporting brain health. We took a deep dive into how creatine works, fueling your muscles with the energy they need during high-intensity workouts, and promoting muscle growth by boosting the formation of proteins that create new muscle fibers. In the end, we highlighted why creatine stands tall among other supplements. Its wide-ranging benefits, backed by extensive scientific research, make it an ideal choice for those seeking to augment their fitness regimen. But remember, every individual is unique, and so are their fitness goals. While creatine has proven benefits, it's essential to consider your specific fitness objectives, dietary needs, and overall health before incorporating any supplement into your routine. Always consult with a healthcare professional or a certified nutritionist to make an informed decision. So, what are your thoughts on creatine? Have you tried it, or are you considering adding it to your fitness regimen? Maybe you have some queries or concerns? We'd love to hear from you. Share your experiences, thoughts, or questions in the comments below. Our aim is to provide you with accurate, research-based information to guide you on your health and fitness journey. Your feedback helps us understand what you want to learn more about, and your experiences can provide valuable insights for others in our community. So, let's keep the conversation going. Stay tuned for more health and fitness tips in our upcoming videos. Until then, stay healthy, keep striving for progress, and remember, every step you take towards better health counts, no matter how small. What are your thoughts on creatine? Share your experiences or queries in the comments. Stay tuned for more health tips. Until then, stay healthy and keep striving for progress. Thanks for watching Monster Health Tips.